So this is on the way to the swimming pool and the restaurant. They don't have a sandy shore. They only got a cliff that but they have steps there to go down, so it still can swim down there. So this video is about the Bantayan Island Nature Park and Resort. So we're going in here in a very remote area called the Bantayan Island Nature's Park and Resort. So this is the Santo Niño Cave. So there's a cave underneath. So there's a cave here. There's a Santo Niño there. That's why they call it the Santo Niño Cave. You still can swim in there because you can see there's some swimming ring on the water under the caves. But look at the amazing rock formations. So it's 100 pesos if you're just sightseeing inside the park per person, but it's 200 if you want to swim on their resort. Kuan? Ano ra kay? I get down. Swim, makaswim. You can swim there. Makaswim man. So they put a Santo Niño here to call it Santo Niño Cave.
Hulas naman, ang nagpahulas na ang tubig. Minanga, tubang tira Virgin Island.
So it's all like preserved nature. You can hear all the birds. Hear that? Chicken nursery?
Oh, burger.
Go. Poultry. Part of this nature park is their egg farm. You can actually buy some eggs. They have it there. Harvesting eggs. And they have their vegetable garden there. And the fruit, we got papaya. What's interesting here is look how they feed the chicken. They are breed for eggs. There's some on the other side as well.
Surat ito itlog. Mo na ulang itlog.
Atong dimdimon ang katamis sa ato ang kapanakigalaay.
So that's the farms. Eggs from this farm.
Ikon dia ada nga. Piling manok.
So these are the chicken that's our breed for eggs. And if you notice, there's nobody there, but there's a radio blasting on. There's a thing here that you need to have the chicken have sounds all the time because it will stimulate them to have more eggs. And that's why I will visit some of the poultry growers in the farm in some of the places in Cebu, and you will notice as well there'll be a radio just blasting on, not so close to the chicken, just enough for them that they can hear some sounds like someone, that's why it's AM radio, like someone's talking to them, the sound of a human voice, because this will stimulate their egg production. Shame there's nobody here to interview about the production of the poultry and how many chickens are there, because it's just left with the radio, the drama, AM radio. So you can see here that the chicken and the ducks are all together, but the female chickens as well is there, the hens with their chicks, and the female ducks are there with their little ducklings. There's the yellow heads. Now over here across the egg farm, you got two baby cows here. You know that they are still very young. On this is their mom. So I seldom see cows that are two. It's a rare occasion actually. And another thing, if the cow is giving birth, they don't, what I've seen is they don't touch the calves, let the mother lick it first, otherwise he won't let them feed on her. So until she has put a mark on his calves. Hi babe. You're cute, babe. Better color than your sister. There, you got a horse on the back, and there's two more horses here. Unsa ni nga breed nga kabayo, te? Unsa nga ilang breeding? Oh, ano ilang unsay klase ba?
Mamula.
So this is a male.
Mula.
Mula?
Mamula ni. Na. Dagko
Dagko
kayo.
na.
Ako na siya lang nali kung imo sa tagay pagkaan diri kay atong picturean. Di ako madlok ako sa iya. Oro ako na siya lang nali, sige lang nali.
So they want to feed unsa na yung gikaon? Kanang naper. So you can feed the horses with the napier grass. So she's the caretaker of those chicken and the farm around here, and she said that there's about 300 chickens on that poultry. Ya, pakaon anak ti kapila.
Iurong lang gid siya na.
6 a.m. 4 times a day ang chicken. Nya ang kanang 300 ka bukti pila ka sako ti. 6 alas 10 nya. Alas 1 every 4 hours day. Alas 4, alas 5. Eh gagabi wala na. So at night time they don't feed it anymore. They have a lot of ducks as well here.
Ara ang pato ay mapakpakan mo palapit sa inyo.
Pakpak kuno ga kay mo dool kuno ng pato.
Dito. Doon ka lang dito
Oh.
sa picture mga bata kay amo na yun.
They said that clap your hands so the ducks will come to you. Na padung na. Baboy na ha.
Baboy na dra na?
Oh.
Ara na nga.
Nanood na. Oh yes, the ducks will come if you clap your hands. Hala kadaghan di ana this wood oh. There's so many ducks inside.
Ha? Sige lang kuno na.
Yawa man kay ihatag ma'am.
Dili manusik.
Labok na siya.
Basi kay kanon ba?
So, diba 100 ducks around here. Some are still in there. That's the aviary birds of the same feather flock. Ducks, doves, and chicken freely roam around the Bantayan Island Resort Nature Park. Fees is 20 pesos per packet. Kapalit kag tubong.
Mga laki mani, mga laki. Rakto ang mga bayi oh. So dagang piso.
So the females are inside.
Is boy in the outside.
Yes. The females are inside no, watching their babies. Yeah, look at all the babies there. You can see it, the yellow things like walking around. So this is the males guarding the territory. That I could see some yellow heads up there.
Apa gini bitin itu unahan siguro? Gudong-dong ko.
Huh?
Bitin. Bitin.
Oh, so my brother was saying there's a snake here. He's the one who's saying about this. Hello. The ducks are following us. Bantayan Island Nature Park and Resort. So this is on the way to the swimming pool and the restaurant. So coming here, they'll smoke you out, like steam you off, temperature check, and then, wow, that's the swimming pool. That's the slide of the swimming pool. Diri mo.
Oh, lang siya Igor. Dito mis beach ng ligo, dagat man.
Oh.
This man na oh. Dagat naman na.
So this is the swimming pool, and the beach is right down there.
Yung mga cottage ga. Yung mga bata dito.
Naugta ka na itong beach. So you can rent the cottage with the tables and chairs. Pool capacity is 75. That is imposed here. But you know, as quiet as this. There's a picnic area down there as well that you can see. It's very noisy there. So, oh, they have halo-halo and shakes around here. So it's a picnic area. Unsa siyang mga puti na sa dagat?
Muna siya gibutang dira ma'am. Kana din ang kutob. Moy na mabaw. Mulapas ka dito.
Ah. Pero katon dito sa unahan ka ba?
Kato, kau na mga gusto.
Ah, that's the seaweed production on the sea.
Isa din mo ginailan.
Diyak ka na. That's the Virgin Island. So those yellow buoy, white buoy signifies that's where the shallow, and beyond that is already deep part of the ocean. Now, you think that those ones there are rubbish? Are actually they are for seaweed production. Seaweed are used for gelatin and making of rubber slippers.
Dili kang lugda ito, dagat. Na may hagdan.
Mo nilang beach, wa sila kay baybayon?
Wa.
Ani ra mo diri? Oh, dara nay kanang ugan ka ay.
Shake kuan o na ilat na ugan din na.
May bukya reo.
Diri mo?
Bukya ito.
Itong jellyfish, black jellyfish. You know, during summer as well, that's when you have to watch out about the jellyfish, because that's also summer is jellyfish season. They seem to get out because of the heat. So you can see that's the seaweed production there. They don't have a sandy shore. They only got a cliff that but they have steps there to go down, so it still can swim down there. This is how they design it, that people can still go in the water without going through a shore, by going through this rock formation and then into the beach, into the water. But what amazes me is this seaweed production in the sea. Makes me intrigued. I want to see when they're gonna harvest that. So I'm sure people love it here, especially the kids going through those caves under the cliff. And look at the view on this other side. You know that island that's across there? That is what you call the Virgin Island here in Bantayan. There's another more seaweed production area here. And there's the coastline of Bantayan. And that's over there is Madre de Dios. This is the Bantayan Island. It's beautiful. You can imagine swimming here at night. You smack yourself to the rocks, but you know what I mean. Just have some lights around. Have I ever tried night swimming? Yeah, with my family when I was younger. But they stopped throwing us in the water at night. We just stay there at night in the pier because they're still drinking. My dad and the neighbors.